Can Solo Connect data plans be activated and deactivated as needed? Now, we've discussed this at length already, but yes, let's talk about some of the benefits of the monthly data plans. If you prepay for the year, you get 2 months for free. So that's something to consider when you're paying for the years. You'll actually wind up paying less if you're planning on streaming for 12 months. So that's definitely something to work out. Yes, there are advantages of the monthly plan, or you can get that yearly plan. You can also make monthly payments and deactivate as needed, as we've said earlier. The big thing we want to stress, though, is you want to leave yourself 3 to 4 days before it's time to stream to reactivate that plan. Don't do it the night before when that streaming is really important, that you're set up the next day and ready to go. Always be prepared 3 to 4 business days beforehand so you'll be ready to stream with no problem.